I moved away when I was 18. I was ready to run away, away for good. Without a car, I walked alone. I couldn't wait for my school to start, to feel at home. My school would start and I'd feel at home. We met when I had one too many. You were friendly, and I liked you right away. Who would have thought the first time we went out to we'd still be here? We wouldn't change. We are still here, and I feel the same. You are my favorite song. 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 We moved about, you went back home to play your songs, and I stayed out west, close to the waves. And I count the days, and I hope that someday we can be in the same place. Till then I wait. I'll count the days to see your face. You are my favorite song. 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 You have my heart, just give me time to open up and keep it safe, keep it for good.